Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. First, power off your MSI MS1551 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the laptop. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. There are typically 5 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious as you do this. You don't want to damage any clips. After the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you find inside, as this can help improve performance. Now locate the keyboard connector. It's usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the locking tab. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. With the cable disconnected, it's time to remove the old keyboard. Depending on your model, there may be additional screws securing the keyboard in place. Check for any screws around the keyboard area and remove them. Once all screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from the top edge and slide it out towards you. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to compare it with the old one to ensure it's the correct model. If everything looks good, position the new keyboard in place, sliding it into the same slot as the old one. Reconnect the keyboard cable by inserting it into the connector and pressing down the locking tab. Now it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace any screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard in place. After that, align the back panel and press it down until you hear the clip snap into place. Finally, replace the screws on the back panel to secure it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. Make sure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We're here to help you with any laptop issues you may have, ensuring a hassle-free experience with no calls, no travel. Enjoy your newly replaced keyboard. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.